So, today I want to talk about autism, its causes, and its remedies. So, what causes autism? According to my research, it's not genetic. It's like during pregnancy when the mother is going through a hard time, maybe poor diet and stress. This stress it transfers into the fetus, into the baby, into the growing baby. And what happens is that this stress and poor diet it weakens the whole immune system and especially the gut of the unborn baby. So what happens next when the child is born? The gut is weak. Sometimes the gut has a lot of leakage in it, and this what it does it doesn't process the food what the child is taking, and so the proper nourishment does not reach to the brain. It does not help in brain development. So the three main causes for the autism are inflammation, weak gut, weak immune system, and the child is also suffering from stress which he has gained during pregnancy. So now let's come to the remedies. The first remedy I want to talk about is body cleanse, because the gut is weak, and so the toxins they easily transfer to the body. So you need to clean your body, flush toxins. So I would suggest aloe vera juice. It's really good for your cleanse, and you can also check on internet any DIY for cleaning your blood, but I would suggest aloe vera juice. The second remedy I will talk about is vitamin D, omega, and um, some supplements, multivitamin supplements. If you are um, living in Europe, you can get Kinder Vital. It's a really good supplement, and it also helps in brain development. Second, because your child is suffering from stress, so it's good idea to take your child in nature. The more you take your child in nature, the better your child will get, and he will or she will get rid of stress. Another remedy I'll talk about is aromatherapy, which also works really good. And some of the aromas are lavender essential oil, orange essential oil, and you can also look up into the internet. Another remedy I'll talk about is camel milk. Um, my suggestion would be to get rid of all kind of dairy and just start using camel milk. Camel milk is anti-inflammatory, and it also helps in getting your immune system better. It flushes your toxins and also help in strengthening your gut, because almost 90% of autistic kids they suffer from weak gut and sometimes leaky gut. That's the reason that most of the autistic kids are sensitive to food, and they suffer problems like constipation and diarrhea. So camel milk is a really good option. So You can just look up into the internet any other suggestion, and I'll drop a link below of some it's you can say it's a music therapy as well. When your child is sleeping, you can turn this sounds on, switch on, and he can or she can listen them while your child is asleep.